Hi, this is Kiran Markham from Radboards. Welcome to another video of an unboxing and review of the Begode T4. Today we are in an amazing location where you get to see a lot of rocky trails, higher inclined mountains on which we will be riding these Unicycle on. So I've already done the unboxing and assembled because I couldn't wait because this is the first T4 in India. So I will be revealing the features, the ride experience, the initial impressions of the T4. Yeah, it's a heavy wheel. Yeah. I just pulled out the Begode T4 out of the box. This comes with a spring-loaded handle. You just press it and it pops open. This you can carry the Begode with. Press it again, it comes all the way to your hip level. I'm 5'11" in height. You can easily push it around. So next up is the seat. It's very comfortable, it's pretty curved, very comfortable to sit on. I think it will be fairly comfortable to ride on long rides as well. I'll have to test it out and see. This is the first Begode T4 in India, by the way. And under the handle, they also have charging ports here. So the charging port has an accommodation for 2 charging ports for 2 5-amp chargers. So in the box, you get 1 5-amp charger, which is fast charging again. It comes with an aluminum build. So this charger comes with a fuse as well. So you even get additional fuses in the charger so that in case if there is a power fluctuation and the fuse blows out, you can replace the fuse also. In the box you also get a pump. This air pump is required for filling air for the suspension and the wheels. The air you will require to fill it up to 250 psi and the tires up to 40 psi. T4's build is pretty solid, built like a tank. So there are 4 batteries, 2 on each side. The batteries have an all-metal build, the metal casing, which is very required and sturdy. So even if you take multiple falls on this Begode, it will not stop running. So that's the best part about Begode T4. And it also comes with a metal all aluminum pedal, which has spokes, which will grip your feet very well, especially in the off-road conditions, which is the most critical. These foam padding is hard, required for you to do jumps and to get some air and keep yourself locked into the wheel. The Begode also comes with 2 switches. When you have stopped, the kill switch engages. You have to press the kill switch to disable the wheel. See? And when you engage the kill switch again, it starts the motor. And this also has a power button. You have to long press to switch it on. One single press, the light switches on. And then double press, it starts blinking. And this also comes with an off-road tire. These off-road tires are really rugged and this gives you an amazing grip on the off-road terrains. These foam pads come in the box where you'll have to remove the 3M stickers and put it on based on your riding comfort. This also has an air suspension where you can soften the air suspension as well to set it according to your comfort. You can see the way the air suspension raises. Yeah, you see that now it's a lot more softer. So you can see it's a lot more bouncy and soft. Can make it harder as well. Once you tighten it, turn the knob all the way around, make it less bouncy. So depending on the riding conditions, if you're riding it on off-road terrain, you can make it softer. If you're riding it on the roads where you need a little less suspension of travel, you can make it harder as well. That's the best part about Begode as well. So let's test this wheel out on multiple different terrains. We'll be testing it out today on an off-road trail, muddy terrain, and we'll see how it stands out. I'll give you an honest review. I'll see you guys soon. I just finished the ride on this wheel. It performed really well. The best part about Begode is the acceleration that you get at an instant when you start off. So that's an amazing thing about Begode. Another thing that I felt could be better is the padding, for which we'll be having additional padding support when you have to do off-roading. This works perfectly well. This padding works perfectly well on a normal muddy terrain or even on the flat roads. But when you go on a hilly surface, I think you'll need to have a better padding support. And this is a good intermediate wheel. This is definitely not a beginner wheel. I would suggest you guys to learn on a basic beginner wheels, for which you can hit us up and we'll guide you how to go about it. And this will be a very good intermediate wheel to own for your daily commutes or even adventure trials. If you would like to learn how to ride a unicycle, do hit us up. We have our contact details mentioned in the description below. We'll have these sessions taught to you free of cost every weekend. And if you're in Bangalore, you should definitely sign up. Signing off, this is Kiran from Radboards. Join the Rad fam. See you guys on the next one.